Do you know how much of the premium you have to pay legally for your employees' health insurance? Well, you stick around because that's today's insurance question. How's it going, everyone? I'm Joey Gingola with Gingola Insurance, and today we're going to be talking about your company's health insurance plan and how much you actually have to pay for it legally. The very simple and short answer to that is half. At least 50% of the cost of the health insurance is what you have to pay. Now, the trick here is that even though you only have to pay for half of it, if you offer it to your employees and no one wants to pay the other half of what you're offering, well, then you're going to run into another problem, and that's participation. And what I mean by participation is that so many people at your company, a certain percentage of employees, have to actually buy the health insurance for you to be able to offer it. Most of the time, it's around 75% of your employees have to buy the coverage. So that means if you're not meeting participation and you still want to offer a health insurance plan, you might need to up the ante, so to speak, of what you're paying for the health insurance to make it more attractive for your employees. I know that's something you didn't want to hear, but so knowing that you, one, have to pay at least half, two, have a certain amount at least purchase that health insurance, like we said, a minimum of around 75% in most cases, and that 50% might not always be as attractive an offer. I can see the wheels spinning in your head, and I know what you might be thinking. You have to pay the same for everybody. So if you're thinking, well, boy, I'm just going to up it for the ones that I know want it, and so on and so forth, you have to offer the same contribution level to every employee that you have working there. It is also important to note that insurance companies will come a knocking from time to time on participation audits, meaning they're going to take a look and see if you are meeting that minimum percentage that they're asking of you. Also, it's a lot more likely now that with healthcare reform here to stay, that you're going to see a few more of these happen with your current plan or with your buddy's business. Just keep an eye out because they are going to become a little more common than they once were. So that's today's insurance question. 50% is what you're looking to pay at least for your employees' health insurance coverage. Of course, we are doing these 5 days a week. Every day we are open for business. We are answering a question for you. So if you have a question that you would like to see answered in an upcoming video, well, feel free to leave a comment below wherever you're finding this video, and I'd be happy to add it to the list and get it answered as soon as we possibly can. Of course, if your company is having issues with participation, not knowing how much to contribute, basically, if you're just not sure what's going on with your company's health insurance, and there are a few more specific details that we really didn't get to in this video, well, feel free to reach out, get in touch with me, shoot me an email, joey@gingolainsurance.com, or feel free to even pick up the phone, give me a call. It's going to ring to that phone right there. That information, of course, is below this video where you can go ahead and get in touch with me. We'd love to talk with you and learn a little bit more about your specific situation. But of course, I am Joey Gingola with Gingola Insurance. Take it easy, everyone.